Welcome, in front of me I have REALME 6i, and today I'll show you how you can change your notification sound. We have to go for the settings, tap on the sound and vibration. Right now we have to simply go for the default notification sound, click allow, that's the permission request that we have to accept, and as you can see right now when we tap on this one, that's our currently default notification sound, but you can switch for any other, for example for overtone, and after that you can just go back. As you can see, it changed. You can also pick your own notification sound by go for the files and then picking your own sound, but as you can see in my case I don't have anything, but if you got something here it will look definitely the same like that, so we can simply just click on it and it will be chosen. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.